Hi, my name is Shanti Kumarvi. I am also a Reiki healer and a Grandmaster, and also a healer for 12 modalities of occult science, spiritual healing processes. And what we do in the Reiki, we heal sciatica, stress, headaches, insomnia, digestive issues, respiratory strains, emotional imbalance. And Reiki process contains energy flow through online. It is purely online session, and it balances the restoration of the energies and pain relief and emotional calmness will be there, and natural healing will be there. And minimum I suggest online sessions, 10 sessions are required per month to be intact with the work pressure what you have been facing it in information technology jobs. Here are the contacts in the bottom. I have given it. If needed, you contact me only on WhatsApp. No calls will be picked up. Thanks for watching. Here is an example. Before Reiki, one professional had anxiety, confusion, and skills overloaded for learning purpose. And once he attended the one-to-one Reiki session, his mind became calm and restored the balances where he had imbalances and oscillation was there in the mindset to do what at what time, all those things because of the work pressure, hectic work pressure. And he builds confidence now and creates clarity. All these all are happening it, and after Reiki he is calm, focused, and skills are being used confidently on the existing roles. And basically it is a stress relief session, and emotional balance happens it, and renewed focus will happen it. This is more useful for work pressure related people, stressed people and multiple pain therapies can be applied it here also. Yeah, contacts are given in the previous slide. Contact me on WhatsApp only. Monthly suggested sessions are 10, and we can be in touch basis on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.